The topic is a technical explanation of Formula One energy recovery systems, specifically KERS and ERS. At the pit wall, engineers watch more than speed. They watch where energy is lost, where it can be saved, and where it can be returned. In Formula One, the fastest cars do not simply burn fuel and push forward. They capture energy that would otherwise disappear as heat and turn it back into performance. KERS, the older system, stands for Kinetic Energy Recovery System. When the driver brakes, the car's motion creates heat in the brakes. KERS uses part of that braking energy, stores it, and releases it later for a short power boost. It is a simple idea with a sharp effect. Slow down now, gain speed later. ERS, or Energy Recovery System, is the more advanced version used in modern Formula One. It includes KERS-like kinetic recovery, but also adds electrical energy recovery from the turbocharger. This means the car can reclaim energy from both braking and exhaust flow. The system stores that energy in a battery and delivers it when the driver needs extra acceleration or better lap time management. The difference between the two is not only size, but scope. KERS focused mainly on braking energy. ERS combines multiple sources of recovered energy and gives the team greater control over when and how the power is deployed. In practice, this can help with overtaking, defending position, exiting corners, and managing efficiency across a race distance. The driver interacts with the system through steering wheel controls and race strategy. Engineers decide how much energy to harvest, how much to store, and when to release it. A well-timed deployment can change the outcome of a duel. A poorly timed one can waste the advantage. There is also a tactical layer. Because energy is limited, the team must choose whether to spend it for a short burst or conserve it for later. This creates a constant balance between attack and restraint. Formula One becomes not just a contest of horsepower, but a contest of timing, intelligence, and control. KERS was an important first step. ERS expanded the concept into a central part of modern racing. Together, they show how Formula One turned wasted motion into a competitive weapon, and how the smallest flashes of stored energy can decide the largest battles on track.